You follow the rule of the house, Flora कित्या, you send it to committee, whatever my thing, I will give it to him. It's as simple, Zalna. Privilege committee chairman,
breach of privilege motion move केला.
So give
It
it.
is related to the speaker. बाकी
Speaker sir, breach of privilege motionाचे तुये आमका कित्ते सांगचे
म्हणून
Speaker, Speaker sir, I also don't want to disrupt the house.
स्टेटमेंट
Speaker sir, I also don't want to.
एक मिनिट तुवें स्टेटमेंट हांगा प्रेसाक दितकच हांवें सुद्दां ताजी प्रेस घेतली
होय.
म्हणजे तुवें हांव जें काम करता तें बीजेपीच्या डायरेक्शनाचें काम करता असो तातूंत अर्थ आयला.
I feel that I have not said anything against the speaker. Suppose if you feel there is a procedure, you follow it, no? You privilege committee chairman, you send it to him. I will give my clarification there. Amge clarification dita. Whatever is there, I will clarify.
Speaker sir, that house will decide. Privilege committee तुमचेर आसा म्हणून आमी म्हटला. आनी कोणाचेर जर असले जाल्यार privilege committee कडेन वचूनय असले. आमकां कांयच म्हणना. आमकां ताचो इन्सल्ट करपाचो ना. आमी सगळ्या हावजांतल्या मेंबरांक तितकोच रिस्पेक्ट करता.